Today is day 46 of saying Mr. Beast name once for every one subscriber I get until he puts me in a challenge. We're currently at 157 subscribers, so we say his name 157 times. Let's go. Mr. Beast, 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 Mr. Mr. Beast, 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 Follow for day 47, man. Let's go.